Teaching children Amharic connects them with their parents and grandparents. Generally, when they go back, they don't feel foreign if they speak the language. That's the most important thing. My name is Amlaku Shete. I work at UC Berkeley as an Amharic instructor. In my summer 6 weeks classes, they can learn the alphabet, some basic Amharic grammar, understanding common words. It's always great to have children learn multiple languages if possible, at least their ancestors' language. It's psychologically supported to speak more than one language. Beneficial for mental health, for stability, and for job opportunities as well.
Sign up for Amlaku's KHAABBA Summer Amharic Course. More info to come on Monday, May 19th, 2025. Nagin Anyalan.